fancy, pampered with diamonds, I want to show you my completion of Elmo. I did a short, but I wanted to talk about him. So I am going to attempt to show him on camera just like I did on the short. So let's see what we have. And remember, the eyes and the mouth was supposed to be 310, but I changed it. I left the eyes and the mouth 310, but I did the outline as the glow-in-the-dark drills. And this is for my birthday's event, Elmo's birthday, and my birthday. My birthday is March 31st. So let's see what I've done. Okay, where's my light? I'm hoping you can see it. Oh, but you can see the ABs just shine. It's just awesome. Okay, I'm using this light to try to activate them real quick. This was outside kind of all day, and it lit up nice on the camera, like my phone camera. So I hope we can see it again. Okay. It's not showing up, but if I do that, can you see it? All the ABs are showing up nice, but not the glow-in-the-dark part. He's so cute. He is adorable. Can you see him? Nope, you cannot. Well, I'm going to put the lights back on without breaking my neck. Okay. He is adorable. Let's see if you can see it this way. Oh, you can't. Oh, well, you just have to go watch the short if you haven't seen it already. He was done in 3 days only because I tried to, let's see, I lied. Yeah, no, 3 days. I started on the 15th and I finished him today, and today is the 18th. And I'm going to put him in a frame. But there was, let me go get my book to show you. There was 6 colors. I'm back. Okay. This is what I've done with the big sticker. I put it on my book. So I started this on the 14th, because I filmed, it was for the film on the 15th, my video. So it took me 4 days, and that's because I wanted to spread it out. This says 6 colors, but it was actually 7 because I used 310 for the mouth and the eyes. Mouth and the eyes I left as plain 310. And the outline of Elmo, I did the glow-in-the-dark drills. And there's like streaks of ABs. I don't know if can you see that? Like right there, 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 there. Those are ABs, and I love them. It looks really good. That is the big change that I did for the Elmo himself. I did not change anything in here. Everything is as charted. So I kept my spare drills, and I kept more than 2 because there were so few colors, and I wanted to make sure I'd have enough if you know, anything happened to it. But it is going to be behind glass, so I don't foresee a problem. And the trash, there was some unique trash in this. Like, can you see that? It kind of looks like a, I don't know, like a blade. And I did find a square drill in there. Yeah, kind of weird, kind of weird. But the trash wasn't, I guess it was a lot for the size, but I was kind of picky on what I put on my Elmo. So I actually don't think the trash was a lot. So it had one AB and it had the glow-in-the-dark drill. And the AB was older because it gave me the number of 138. ABs now come at the end, so they would put it at the end and it would be, the number would be AB 138, I guess. So I really like the way he came out. I'm so excited Elmo is done. Most of you have finished your first canvas already. So I want you guys to send me your completions in my email. And I don't want anybody to rush, but if everybody is finished, I don't know, as soon as everybody is finished, I will take about 2 or 3 days and I will draw the prizes if everyone is done. I don't want anybody to rush, because to be eligible for the prize, you have to have the first canvas done, the small canvas. And I want you to start sending me emails on why you chose your second canvas. Why did you choose it? Was it one you've been wanting to do, truly wanted to do? Because that's what I wanted. I wanted to know what canvas you really want to do, but you couldn't find an event to do it. So send me that email. Start letting me know. I am in the process of making your thank you cards. So those will be going out. I've got 3 ready. It's a process for me to get these cards done, but I'll get them out to you because I really do appreciate each and every one of you. I love my Elmo. But my next canvas, now that Elmo is done, is my party time. And I'm doing this one because you all wanted me to. And this is a square canvas by Diamond Dots. So I'm going to start this one soon. Okay, it's all wrinkly. I got to pull the paper off. Let's go a little further away. There we go. So here's my cupcakes. And I am going to bling up the frosting. So I am excited about that. So this is the next one I'm going to do. I'm doing this one because you all asked me to. And this is a square, and I have not done a square by Diamond Dots. So we will see how it comes out, how the squares compare to, say, Diamond Art Club or Fallon Gems or a budget friendly, because I have done a square by a budget friendly before. I've done a square with Fallon Gems and Diamond Art Club. So we will see how this compares. Oh, and also, I asked you to send me an email on which one of the prizes you would like to get. If you would like all of them, put your number in, put your email, select your choices for all of them. But yeah, if you can do that for me, that would be wonderful too. That's all I have to say for right now. because I'm going to start working on this and getting him ready for a frame. I'm going to have to trim him a little bit. I already have a mat, so I will work on that, and then I will get back to you with my completion of my Elmo. And he's going to be gorgeous. I can't wait for you to see the frame I chose. Everyone have a great night. And don't forget to be kind to everyone.